Soza, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Where is? Where's a monkey? Où est? And that oo has got the little branch over the letter U, over the letter U, the accent, okay? Où est? Otherwise, OU without the little accent above it means or. To be or not to be. Where are? Où sont? Excuse me, where are the toilets, please? Excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît? Okay, the word for woman is spelt F-E-M-M-E, but for some weird reason it's pronounced femme. 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 Lady is dame, so they actually rhyme, femme and dame. And my lady and madame. And we know man is no H sound, because H is never pronounced in French. Did I tell you that already? Excuse me, where is the station, please? Excusez-moi, où est la gare, s'il vous plaît? Okay, letter A is a big A. Où est la gare? Ga 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 gare. Où est la gare, s'il vous plaît? To walk, to march, to work as in to function is marcher. Marcher. Okay, it's like march with an ER. Marcher. Vous marchez sur le pied de quelqu'un. You walk on someone's foot. If you want to say, oh, sorry, as in forgive me. Oh, pardon. Oh, pardon. Pa, pa, pa. And O-N is on. Oh, pardon. Oh, pardon. Pardon. You can even say, oh, pardon, excusez-moi. Oh, pardon, excusez-moi. Again, oh, sorry, forgive me, excuse me. Oh, pardon, excusez-moi. Oh, pardon, excusez-moi. Yes? Oui! You and I together is oui, 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 oui. I am, je suis. You've got that U-I sound again. Oui, oui, oui. I am sweet. Je suis sucré. Sucré means sweet. Je suis, I am. Je suis. S-U-I-S. Je suis. I am or I'm. Je, frown with that E, suis. Je suis. I'm sorry, the French say. I'm desolated. Je suis désolé. It's a Z sound in the middle because the S is between two vowels again. Je suis désolé. 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 Je suis désolé. Désolé. Lots of ways of saying sorry. Oh, sorry, excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm desolated. The first one is the pardon one. Oh, pardon, excusez-moi, je suis désolée. Oh, pardon, excusez-moi, je suis désolée. Nothing or not anything. Rien. Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. I regret nothing. Nothing of nothing. Rien de rien. It's nothing. It's okay. It's nothing, as in, it's okay, don't worry about it. Ce n'est rien. So instead of ce n'est pas, you take away the pas. This works with all negative constructs, you take away the pas and you replace it with the other negative word. It's nothing. You still need a negative ne. Ce n'est rien. You cannot say ce n'est pas rien. That would mean the opposite. Ce n'est rien. Ce n'est rien. So they haven't hurt you. Ce n'est rien. Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's okay. Ce n'est rien. Ce n'est rien. Ce n'est rien. Ce n'est rien. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Sorry, forgive me. Pardon me. Pardon. Pardon. I'm sorry, I'm desolated. Je suis désolée. Je suis désolée. It's nothing. Ce n'est rien. Ce n'est rien. I'm fine. Ce n'est rien. Because I'm teaching you conversational French, a lot of people in spoken French, everyday normal conversations, will drop that ne. So you will often hear c'est rien. Okay, it's meant to be ce n'est rien, but people just drop it. C'est rien. If you want somebody to say something again, as in you haven't heard something and you don't want to go what, which is quoi, the polite way of saying how's that, pardon, is comment. Comment. If you've done French before, you may have heard how, as in comment t'appelles-tu or comment ça va, how are you? So how, comment. And that's the polite way of getting somebody to repeat something, as in you haven't heard. How's that? Comment? 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 How's that? Pardon? Comment? Comment?